Okay, I was able to take the belts out. So let's see what's making this noise. I believe it's the generator, because if I do this, it's making this bearing sound. But if it goes this way, seems okay. Now this, going at 2,000 RPM, might make that really loud noise. And if you could see, this fan does not have a fan clutch, so it's pretty tight. It's not making any kind of vibrations or noise whatsoever. So it's not this, which leads to the water pump, and I believe the water pump is fine. There's no leaks or anything like that. It's definitely the generator making the noise. Might need a new one with the bearing.